The most misused drug in America may be in your home right now. It's not something you buy on street corners either. It's legal.
You can buy it anywhere. 4029's Kelly Johnson spoke to local experts who say this brand of drug is becoming more dangerous.
You may think nothing of taking cough syrup when you're sick or pain medication when you're hurting, but experts here locally say over-the-counter drugs are often dangerous and misused.
One of the most common and popular is probably Benadryl.
Brad Walker is a counselor at the Harbor House Alcohol and Drug Treatment Center in Fort Smith. Although they see clients with addictions to some of the most hardcore drugs, over-the-counter medication is still a comparable problem.
A lot of the folks will use it more as a sleeping aid rather than an allergy relief.
Over-the-counter drugs are easily available, typically with no age restriction. This is why people can easily become addicted.
Because of being out of financial means and because you can go access it 24/7, to whereas maybe the liquor store closes at 10, is go to the local store and buy a huge bottle of mouthwash because of the alcohol content.
Detectives in the narcotics unit of the Fort Smith Police Department say cough syrups such as Robitussin, whose main ingredient is DXM, is another popular OTC drug to abuse. Nicknamed robo-tripping, excessive amounts of the liquid can be consumed, causing an extreme high.
There's a misperception with all pharmaceuticals in that it's a regulated and safe substance to abuse.
Those regulated medications can quickly cause dependency.
Those 1 or 2 pills that they abuse becomes 5 or 8 or 10 or 20, and then they overdose unknowingly.
Experts say the abuse of over-the-counter medication early on can actually be a predictor of a more serious addiction later in life.
If there's abuse of the over-the-counter medications, I think they can certainly bring someone who wasn't aware that they had an addictive personality.
Most police departments like Fort Smith have a drug drop-off box where it's encouraged to leave any unwanted medication. Fort Smith officers say the most common drug they find in the bin is over-the-counter medication. Reporting in Fort Smith, Kelly Johnson, 4029 News.
The Above the Influence website reports that overdoses of acetaminophen, a painkiller in DXM-based remedies, cause 56,000 emergency room visits a year in the U.S.
And for more information on treatment centers and treatment options, just visit our website, 4029tv.com.